You just found the 2017 Toyota Sienna. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This Toyota Sienna has the features your family needs to make the most of every road trip. Safe, powerful, smooth, and quiet. It's a calm oasis in your busy life. Navigate the highways and byways in confidence, while the latest infotainment tech and creature comforts keep your passengers relaxed, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. You don't have to sacrifice driving pleasure to get the versatility your family needs. Come in and drive this refined and powerful Sienna. We'll make it the best part of your day.